Hello friends, I am Soumita. Welcome to my channel Glowing Angel. How are you all? I know you all are getting bored in lockdown, so I came up with this easy glittery smoky eye look with full face affordable makeup tutorial for you guys. This is completely an affordable makeup tutorial. All products are under 500 rupees only. You can easily recreate this look at your home with your own product also. But before starting, I wanna say if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you will get notified. So let's get started. I'm starting with the eye makeup first. So at first I'm brushing and shaping my brows with Rhoda brow pencil. Now I am filling my brows with the ashy black shade from the Rhoda matte eyeshadow palette. If you don't have any brow products, so don't worry, you can easily use any of your dark eyeshadows to fill your eyebrows. It works absolutely fine. Now it's time to define my brows more properly, and for this I am using this Sivanna cream concealer palette, and with this process you can easily hide the extra hairs of your eyebrows and your eyebrows will look more properly shaped. Now I am properly blending the concealer with a brush. After eyebrows, it's time to create the eyeshadow base. I am using the same concealer palette and taking this light shade concealer into a brush and spread it into my eyelids and then blending it with a damp beauty blender. Now I am using the ADS banana powder to set the concealer into my eyelids. To create the smoky eyes, now I am using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal into my eyelids. You can use any Kajal, kohl or gel liners also, but remember don't go too high towards the crease line. I am using a brush to slightly blend the harsh edges of the crease line. I am using this Huda dupe but super pigmented palette which I bought from an Insta store and taking this orangey brown shade and blending it into my crease line with a fluffy brush. To more darkening the black color of my eyelids, I am using this matte black eyeshadow from the Rhoda palette. Now I am again taking the orangey brown shade and blending it with a fluffy brush into my crease line. Make the smoky eye a little bit different from the regular one and more gorgeous and glittery, I am adding this Swiss Beauty Black Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow into my eyelids, the shade I am mentioning in the description box. I am slightly spreading the liquid eyeshadow with a flat brush into my eyelids. Now it's time to have some falsies. For lower lash line, I am using this dark brown shade. I am using this purple glittery shade into the inner corners of my eyes. I am applying this same Maybelline Kajal into my waterlines. Now it's time to have some mascara and I am using the Maybelline one. After eye makeup, it's time for face makeup and I already moisturized my skin with Nivea Soft Light Cream. For primer, I am using the silicone based primer from Miss Claire. To cover my dark spots, I am using the Kiss Beauty Orange Corrector and blending it with the same damp beauty blender. Concealer, I am using the Swiss Beauty Concealer. Shade is mentioned in the description box. Wet n Wild foundation, and I just love this foundation. My shade is Desert Beige. I am blending it with the same damn beauty blender. For baking, I am using this Wet n Wild Duo. For contouring, I am using this liquid contour and blending it with an oval shaped brush. After baking, it's time to sweep off the excess powder from my face, and I'm using this big fluffy powder brush for it. Now I am powder contouring my face with this Wet n Wild powder contour. I am using this eye brush to slightly contour my nose also. For blush, I am using this orange blush from SFR. Shade is 2 Sunshine Orange. Now it's time for my favorite thing, and that is highlighter, and I am using the Sivanna Shimmer Brick highlighter and applying it into the high points of my cheeks and bridge of my nose with a fan brush. I am using the same Sivanna highlighter into the brow bone of my eyes. As I want this look to be glam and gorgeous, so I am using this red liquid lipstick from Persony. To set my makeup to stay longer at least 5 to 6 hours, I am using this Kiss Beauty makeup pick. So friends, this is the final look. Tell me how is it, especially the black glittery smoky eyes. And if you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. One more thing I thought to share with you all guys, and that is the idea of this DIY bed canopy and my new small background setup for filming, and where I spend most of my cozy times also. Please let me know in the comment section if you like it or not. So friends, please stay at home, decorate your room and spend quality times with family, and be safe in the lockdown. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.